Greetings from Las Vegas. This is a short video, a little bit of redemption here. Previous video I was talking about some new owner tips about this bike, a 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer. And in the beginning, I went to put it up on the center stand. It didn't go so well. I realized wasn't quite doing it right. I realized the center stand, the bike is here, the center stand comes down. I was trying to pull it this way somewhat. In reality, when you are putting your weight on this thing, the bike is going to rock backwards, so I was fighting against it. So I came in, practiced once, and realized, okay, it's really much easier than I thought. As long as you grab it, stand on the stand, and pull it this way. So here's a clip from just a couple of minutes ago. Got it first try, no big deal. So hopefully this is a little redemption for me and hopefully a little bit useful for you when you're trying to work out how to get one of these big beasts up on that center stand, because it's still a little intimidating.
Retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.